Hey guys, so this is the new CJ603e wood chipper. I just got it. I have a pile of sticks here I need to get rid of. There's a male bin for size comparison, pretty good size. It's about a 3 foot tall pile of sticks. Another one, smaller one there. So I'm topping off this big fig tree here. And usually I'm limited to how much I can chop up with the loppers and throw in the garbage can, but I was hoping for a better option, so I got this thing. Now, this is a light duty. This is the US. It's a 120 volt model, so it's kind of low on power. But I really don't care about making the wood chips small. I just want to reduce them down so I can just throw them in the flower beds or put them under the trees. It doesn't really make the real fine chips, okay? So it makes a pretty good sized chunk like that. It'll break down, but it's not the real fine shreddings that you get from the other blade type ones. This one has like a flat plate and a big gear looking thing, like a gear that smashes a gear with sharp teeth that smashes the stick against the plate. I don't know if you can see it in there. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But let me see. That part is the gear, and then there's a plate back here. I don't have a flashlight, but anyways, you get the idea. Here's the controls. There's an overload reset if your motor gets overheated. There's a forward button. There's a reverse button if you get something stuck in there. You don't stick your hand in there, just hit the reverse button. And then there's a start stop. Okay, I use a heavy duty number 12 wire. You always want to use a number 12 wire for this thing because it does pull a lot of power. I'm not a huge fan of this top cover. This is like a 2-inch circle, so you can put a 2-inch stick in there. But this thing can handle, look, if there's branches and stuff that stick out, they get jammed up on this thing. So I might just take this top cover off and not put a big branch in there. But it likes to suck the branches in, even with, like, let's say you have something that looks like this. Right, so it kind of got to the top part and I got stuck because its branches are wired off. But that's only because they didn't fit into this hole. So it's not really a capacity thing. It's more of a it's just the shape of the branch. So I might try this thing without the top cover and just not put big branches in there because I have a brain, and obviously not gonna stick my hand in there. So you got to be careful about that. This is more of a safety thing. But I shouldn't take it off, but I'll see what I can do. So let me set up the camera and then let's see how this thing works. Okay, so bear with me here. Okay, how's that? Editing, right? I don't know how to edit, so just gotta do what I can with what I got. Okay. All right. See, this is what I'm saying. That opening on the top, it just gets stuck on stuff like this. or like a Y branch. So it's not really a capacity thing, it's just the shape of the thing that blocks it from going in. And it kind of wastes a lot of time because you could easily eat those branches, but they're spread out, and so it doesn't work. So let's try this big one, about 1 3/4 inch. Another big one. This one's almost 1.5 inches. See, so that's the problem, right? You could easily eat this, but because it's just a weird shape, it doesn't want to take it in, so I might modify that top cover. But all in all, I think it's a good machine. I can't talk about longevity because I've only had it a couple days, but it made a big pile of wood chips that I'll put in the flower beds. And for me, the main thing is just to get rid of the sticks. I really don't care about the size of the wood chips. Normally they go in the garbage anyways. So I'm really satisfied, and hope this helps.